Open your browser, navigate to olama.com, the link is also in the description, and download Olama for macOS. After downloading, unpack the zip file and drag Olama in your applications folder. That's how you install an app on macOS. When you first open Olama, your Mac will ask you if you really want to open this app. That's because you downloaded it from the internet. And yes, macOS, we like to install this app. After that, the Olama app should open. Click Next, install, and enter your password. By the way, you must enter your password because Olama will add itself to your path. That means you can access Olama via the terminal. After clicking finish, Olama will be ready. Now open your terminal and run Olama run llama 3.1:8b. If you understand this command, great. If not, I'll explain it to you. Olama tells your computer that it must do something with Olama. Then run tells Olama that it has to run an AI model for us. Llama is the model, 3.1 is the version of the model, and :8b says that it should be the version with 8 billion parameters. Parameters tell how capable the model is. By the way, there's also a 70 and a 405 billion parameter model. You can try them, but first check how much RAM it takes and if you have enough RAM to run them. After hitting enter, Llama 3.1 will download. Llama 3.1 is a large language model or LLM from Meta, so it's basically like ChatGPT. A few seconds later, it should be done. Now you can ask any question and it will answer. You can try other models like Gemma from Google, Pi from Microsoft, or DeepSeek Coda v2. I'll leave a link to all compatible models in the description. But let's say you don't want to go to the terminal every time, which is totally understandable. Navigate to docker.com, the link to it is also in the description, and download Docker for macOS. Docker is a software for containers. A container contains everything that a software needs to run. If you open Docker for the first time, you must accept the service agreement after carefully reading it. Use the recommended settings, type in your password, and create a Docker account. Now you're in Docker and close it directly. So we need to run a piece of software called OpenWebUI. It's a web interface for Olama, NVIDIA CUDA, and the API from ChatGPT. To install OpenWebUI, go to github.com/openwebui/openwebui. Also, this link is in the description. Scroll a bit down and copy this command. Now go back in your terminal and paste the command you just copied. After running this command, OpenWebUI will run. So go to your browser and type 127.0.0.1:3000 or localhost :3000. That will open OpenWebUI. Unfortunately, you have to register, but once you have done so, you can chat with any AI model that run locally on your computer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.